Welcome to Smart Stock Watch. Today is May 28th, 2025, and we're diving into Kingsoft Cloud's first quarter financial results for 2025. Kingsoft Cloud, a leading cloud service provider in China, has just released its unaudited financial results. Joining us today is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. It's a pleasure to discuss Kingsoft Cloud's performance, especially given the current dynamics in the cloud services sector.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Kingsoft Cloud reported total revenues of RMB 1,970 million for the first quarter, marking a 10.9% increase year over year. John, what are the key drivers behind this growth?
The growth in revenue is primarily driven by the expanded revenue from Xiaomi and Kingsoft ecosystem, as well as increased demand from AI-related customers. The company has also made significant strides in penetrating enterprise cloud customers, which has contributed to this positive performance.
And how about profitability? How did Kingsoft Cloud fare in terms of gross profit and margins?
Kingsoft Cloud's adjusted gross profit increased by 9.6% year over year to RMB 327.7 million, with an adjusted gross margin of 16.6%. This improvement is largely due to a decrease in procurement costs, although there was a slight sequential decrease in margin due to increased investments in AI and delays in high-margin enterprise cloud projects.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Moving on to operational efficiencies, Kingsoft Cloud reported an adjusted operating loss of RMB 55.8 million, which is a significant improvement from the same period last year. What factors contributed to this?
The improvement in operating loss is attributed to the company's strict control over expenses and an increase in gross profit. Additionally, Kingsoft Cloud's adjusted EBITDA reached RMB 318.5 million, reflecting a robust EBITDA margin of 16.2%, driven by the expansion of its AI business, which saw a 228% year-over-year increase in gross billing.
That's impressive growth in the AI segment. What did the CEO have to say about the company's future outlook?
CEO Tao Zou expressed confidence in the company's AI-related investments and emphasized their commitment to high-quality and sustainable business development. He believes that cloud services are becoming increasingly important as infrastructure in the AI era, which bodes well for Kingsoft Cloud's future prospects.
EPS forecast and analyst expectations. John, let's discuss the earnings per share. Analysts had forecasted an EPS of 94 cents based on a survey of 2 analysts. How did Kingsoft Cloud perform in this regard?
Kingsoft Cloud reported an adjusted EPS of RMB 08, which is a notable achievement given the forecast. Despite a net loss of RMB 316.1 million, the company's focus on improving revenue quality and controlling costs has helped mitigate the impact on earnings per share.
It's encouraging to see the company outperforming expectations. What does this mean for investors?
For investors, this indicates that Kingsoft Cloud is on a path to recovery and growth, especially with its strategic focus on AI and enterprise cloud services. The better-than-expected EPS suggests that the company is effectively managing its financials amidst challenging market conditions.
Key takeaways. As we wrap up, Kingsoft Cloud has demonstrated strong revenue growth and significant expansion in its AI business. With an adjusted EBITDA margin of 16.2% and an adjusted EPS of RMB 8, the company is showing resilience and strategic focus. John, any final thoughts on Kingsoft Cloud's investment prospects?
Kingsoft Cloud's performance this quarter is promising, especially with its strategic investments in AI and enterprise cloud services. Investors should keep an eye on how these initiatives translate into long-term growth and profitability. The company's ability to manage costs and improve revenue quality is a positive sign for future performance.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. If you found this analysis helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Kingsoft Cloud's performance in the comments below. Until next time.